Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to recover your eBay seller account login credentials. Following these steps will help you regain access quickly and securely so you can manage your listings and sales. Step 1. Go to the eBay sign-in page. Open your browser and visit ebay.com/sign-in. Make sure you are on the official website to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click Forgot Password. If you can't log in, click Forgot Password and enter the email address or username associated with your eBay account. Step 3. Check your email. Open the email from eBay and click the Reset Password link. Make sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Reset your password. Create a new, strong password and confirm it. Avoid using passwords you've used on other sites. Step 5. Log into your seller account. Return to eBay, log in with your new credentials, and access your Seller Hub to manage listings, orders, and account settings. For more quick and helpful eBay tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.